But but while you guys are doing that, while you're letting me know where you're from, I always like to start with an opening note and just to kind of share some thoughts with you on data science. So today's opening note is, today I want to talk to you about EDA. I mentioned EDA because I've been getting a lot of questions recently about EDA and the different steps in the process and things along those lines, right? So just so we're all on the same page, when we're talking about EDA, we're talking about exploratory data analysis. And there really is no single way to go about it. Your team will have your own approach to it. And it's all going to be dependent on the data and the individual project that's in front of you, things along those lines. But what I really want to impress upon some of you today, because I've been seeing this again in some of the conversations I've been having, is that I want you to remember that EDA is not just for you. It's not just for your team. EDA is both for you and for your stakeholder. Because you are going to be presenting some data and some visualizations and other things that in many cases your stakeholders simply haven't seen before. In other cases, they may have seen some of those items, but you're going to give it to them in a much more in-depth way than what they're used to. So you keep that in mind, that EDA is not just about the numbers, but it's also about how the business perceives those numbers and looks at the results, or looks at least the initial results of your EDA.